Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We're getting so close now. We're almost in the 20s, but not yet. Today is the 19th of December. Where's our 19 door? There it is. It's so prettily patterned. Let's see what's... We get to build a Christmas tree. This is nice because we are close to the 20th when it's a really good time to put up your Christmas tree. Or the 1st of December, or the 1st of November. It's really up to you. Or just leave it up all year. But now's a nice time, especially if you have a real Christmas tree. So we're building not a real Christmas tree, so basically it's just rambling, but it's cute. It's so cute and it's so nice to be able to build a little Christmas tree. So we've got some lights right in around the trunk. That's nice. That's very nice. So we've got a little bit of illumination coming out from the middle, and then we put the leaf bits on. Like, this is all in tiny scale, so you just have to imagine that these little green cheese slopes are leaves, and they look like leaves and branches when you've got it all together. I'm sure they will anyway. So this is pretty. So this is the bottom half. Here's the trunk. I love that. I actually really love that, putting those transparent pink pieces underneath. And the next level of our tree has got no little decorations, because then it wouldn't look like incrementally to scale. It's getting a little bit smaller as you go up, which is what trees do. Well, these sorts of trees do. And then we've got our little cone shape at the top, and we need a star. So here's a star ready made. And because these are all Christmas tree ornaments, here comes the obligatory hook so that you can hang it on your Christmas tree. A Christmas tree on a Christmas tree. Ooh, I think the world might explode if we do that. Probably won't. No, it's not going to do that at all. Be like the mirror within a mirror within a mirror. This is really pretty though. It's really such an easy little tree, but so pretty, just with that little splash of pink down the bottom. And it's such a nice size next to the Lego Friends girls. I'm really happy with this build. We can, of course, we can take the little hangy clip bit off if we want to, so it can just be a decoration for the girls to hang out around. So cool. All right. Door 19, very happy. Let's find out tomorrow what's behind door 20. So I will see you back here, same time, same place, and we'll open up another door. I'll see you then.